thunderstorm warning for Ozaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, Milwaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, northeastern Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin, Kenosha County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:50 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Low Myra to Powers Lake, moving east at 65 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Milwaukee, Kenosha, Racine, West Allis, Wauwatosa, Greenfield, Oak Creek, Mount Pleasant, Mequon, South Milwaukee, Pleasant Prairie, Cudahy, Whitefish Bay, Greendale, Brown Deer, Grafton, Cedarburg, Port Washington, St. Francis, and Hales Corners. People attending the Wisconsin State Fair should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.